You are designing a suite of REST APIs for third-party integration, secured by Azure API Management, or APIM. Your implementation must satisfy these constraints. Users must be verified and authorized. API consumption must be throttled to ensure fair usage. Payloads and headers must be processed or validated within the gateway rather than the backend. And comprehensive usage telemetry and performance monitoring must be active. How should you proceed?
Let us look at the available options. Option A. Employ basic authentication with HTTPS, restrict traffic by IP, offload transformation to the client, and enable standard Azure diagnostics. Option B. Use OAuth 2.0 for security, configure rate limit policies, utilize inbound and outbound APIM policies for data transformation, and leverage Azure Monitor for analytics.
Option C. Require client-side certificates for access, apply response caching, perform transformations within the backend services, and monitor via log analytics. Option D. Mandate subscription keys, implement caching, update the backend source code for transformations, and integrate application insights for tracking.
When designing secure APIs with API management, we need to think about how security protocols handle verification, how gateway-level policies can enforce rate limiting and transform payloads without touching backend code, and how centralized monitoring captures performance metrics.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. This choice aligns best with Azure API Management best practices. OAuth 2.0 serves as the industry standard for robust authentication and authorization. Additionally, rate limit policies directly address the requirement to prevent abuse and ensure fair usage.
Using APIM inbound and outbound policies allows for request and response transformation, such as header manipulation or format conversion, directly at the gateway. This avoids touching the backend service code, perfectly fulfilling the requirement to keep transformations out of the backend. Furthermore, Azure Monitor integration provides the necessary telemetry for performance metrics and usage analytics. The other options fail primarily because they either require modifying backend services, offer weaker security, like basic authentication, or lack the integrated policy-based management provided natively by APIM.